Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the KS Tools. $120 Dolphin Mini Pipe Bender. This tool is designed for precise two-handed bending, up to an impressive 180 degrees. Whether you are working with copper, aluminum, brass, or soft steel piping, this tool handles it all with ease. No need to swap bending segments as it effortlessly accommodates 3 dimensions. The undersize and bend radius on the bending form ensure perfect curves every time. Crafted from special tool steel, this mini pipe bender is built to last and tackle any job. Weighing in at just 420 grams and measuring 240 millimeters in length, it's the perfect companion for any professional. Get the KS Tools 120.1001 mini pipe bender today and experience precision like never before.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.